hiring Amazon executives.
Yeah, exactly.
Google Maps has a new feature that will guide you through indoor spaces. Google Maps Inside, which is a thing that I think could be incredibly useful.
Yeah, like at a mall or something.
Google on Tuesday announced several new features that are coming to Google Maps. The coolest one lets you navigate indoors using augmented reality. Get back to the Niantic guys.
Oh, yeah, an airport.
Which displays arrows and markers on your phone screen to show you exactly where to go. Look at those big markers.
Nice.
Like you're trying to find the way out of a complex building, maybe a building you've never been in before.
Toronto's Path.
Sure.
Oh, that's a maze.
But even on another level, just what about when you go into the Home Depot?
Yeah.
Oh.
The aisle.
You're looking for something small in Home Depot, and it does seem kind of crazy. You got to find a person, and then oftentimes the person will actually physically walk you there because it's hard to say. It's halfway down the aisle.
Sure.
3 over.
IKEA was the most recent one. That was.
But see, IKEA,
I guess because it's just big. It's just big. They have a lot
and they
of
carry a lot of things, but IKEA wants you to walk through a maze.
Sure, yeah.
But maybe once you get down to the inventory section, where it's the aisles.
I think they call it the marketplace.
The marketplace. Yeah. Then you toggle on the app. And of course, I don't know if they would partner with Google or if they would want to do this type of AR inside of their own app. I don't know how that would work. It would obviously be ideal if everybody just partnered inside of Google Maps because you're already using it to get to the store. Might as well use it inside the store, or in this case, inside the airport, or inside of public transit, or inside. We could just imagine all the ways in which this could be super useful.
Yes.
Go down one level and then an arrow to right where the escalator or elevator happens to be. This is good stuff, Will.
Yes.
This is useful stuff, Will.
Yes.
This saves you time and stress, Will.
Uh-huh.
The updated Live View AR feature, which overlays digital guides on top of the real world to provide directions as you look through your phone's display, now works indoors. Say you're in an airport and need to find your gate quickly, or an ATM. I don't know who's using ATM over these days. That's probably not me. You search for it inside of Google Maps and markers guide you there inside the building. Now, here's the only difficult part. How are they mapping these interiors? And then how are you recognizing changes inside of those interiors? If doors change, exits, entrances, it's a little tough.
Yeah, maybe under construction.
Yeah, that's a little tough. A little tough, but very cool.